Hello, Ivana. This is how the go big and take away strategy works. So first of all, you have to go big by creating a rectangle that basically encompasses the entire triangle. So this is the example from the Whiteboard strategy note guide. So as you can see, if I look at this entire area, that is the rectangle that the triangle is a part of. Now, if we want to figure out the area of this rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. So this area of this rectangle would actually be 4 units squared. Now, obviously, the triangle doesn't take up that whole part. So unfortunately, we can't just do the go big and take half because it doesn't take even half of that rectangle. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to figure out the area of this triangle. Notice, this triangle here is actually half of this rectangle here. That is where I am getting that this triangle is really 1 unit. The rectangle was 2 units, but the triangle is half of it, so that's 1 unit. So that's why I am actually subtracting the 1 unit squared. Let's look at the other triangle that we have that we also need to subtract. If I go over here, look at this triangle. That is exactly half of this big rectangle. That's actually the one we started with that had a unit of 4, or area 4, sorry. And so if I take half of that area, it's now 2 units for that triangle. So again, I started with the entire red rectangle because that's the rectangle that the triangle is part of. Then I subtracted this blue triangle, which was 1 unit. And then I subtracted the green triangle, which is 2 units squared. And then, voila, what am I left with? I'm just left with this little sliver of a triangle, which 4 minus 1 minus 2 gives me 1 unit squared for that triangle. Hope this helps.